Customizing your Android phone is a fun and exciting way to personalize your phone. But apparently, almost all of the full features and great widgets or launchers require payment to fully use all their features. In this video, I made my very own Android setup to hopefully help those who are struggling to customize their phone. This Android setup will hopefully guide and give ideas to customizing and designing your Android phone for absolutely free. No need for paid apps, widgets, and launchers. All we need is imagination and great composition to be able to achieve this amazing setup. Hi guys, Remy here, and today we will be featuring a minimalist and moody vibe setup that gives your phone a clean and decluttered look. So first off, we will need 3 apps for these, and again, which are all free to use. These are the EV Launcher for the theme and look, Flight Light Icon Pack for the icons, Wallpaper app for the wallpaper, KWGT app for the widget we will be using, and the Hook KWGT app for our design of the KWGT app. I like this inspirational photo because I interpret it as me going in my lifelong journey to reach my destinations, which are my goals. The beautiful road and mountains help remind me to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Now going back, activate the EV Launcher. After changing the wallpaper, we'll now change the icons using the Flight Light Icon Pack. To do this, hard-press the icons of each of your icon and change them to the desired icon within the Flight Light Icon Pack. Take note that to achieve our minimalist look, limit your icons to a maximum of 5 and place them in the dock area to give off a spacious and clean icon placement. The all-white icons help complement the wallpaper and overall theme, and also helps in the clean and serene look we are looking for. And last step is adding our simple yet beautiful widget from KWGT. First, we place the widget on the screen, and we will be choosing the 4x4 grid layout. Then we will use the Hook KWGT app, which is our preferred design for the widget. When we are in the Hook widget app, let's hover around the KWGT tab, then choose the free 085, which is our design of choice. Afterwards, tap on the widget on the screen to edit it for its final look. First, we will edit the R time, which is the biggest font. Let's set it to 345 in size and change the color to brown to be the most distinct and contrasting. Then we'll change the minutes time. Let's set the size to 145 and the color to gray. Lastly, the date, which we will change the size to 55 and color to white. After setting the size and color, simply experiment on the padding or placement of your desired choice, whether it be on the center or sides. Afterwards, we now have this minimalist and clean look that gives us a serene and inspired feeling. Hope you guys love my simple Android home screen setup. If you like it, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any comments or suggestions on my next Android home screen setup, please comment down below. And lastly, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon to be notified whenever new videos will be uploaded. Thank you again guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!